Welcome to our review of the Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the full specifications of this incredible electric mountain bike. Let's start off with the drive unit. The Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750 is equipped with the powerful Bosch Performance Line CX Smart System. It also features the Bosch CX 300 display with Bosch LED remote, providing you with all the necessary information and control at your fingertips. The battery on this bike is the Bosch PowerTube 750, ensuring long-lasting power for all your adventures. And with the Bosch 4A charger, you can quickly recharge your battery for more riding fun. With an impressive torque of 85 Nm and a power output of 250 watts, the Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750 offers excellent performance. It can reach a maximum speed of 32 km/h and has various riding modes to suit your preference. The drivetrain of this bike is top-notch. It features Shimano XT shift levers and rear derailleur, providing precise and smooth gear shifting. The E13 Plus crank and 34T chainring ensure optimal power transmission. When it comes to braking power, the Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750 does not disappoint. It is equipped with Shimano XT hydraulic disc brakes with 203mm rotors for reliable stopping power. Let's talk about the frame and suspension. The frame of this bike is made using C:62 monocoque advanced twin mold technology, ensuring lightweight and durability. It features a 4-link suspension system, efficient trail control, and agile trail geometry. The fork on this bike is the Fox 36 Float Factory Fit 4, which offers a 3-position system with low-speed compression adjust. The shock is the Fox Float X Factory, providing adjustable LSC with a 2-position lever. For a comfortable and controlled ride, the Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750 is equipped with a Cube Performance Stem, Numen Advanced Handlebar, and Acid Disrupt grips. The C-post is the Fox Transfer Factory, and the saddle is the Natural Fit Fennec. The wheels of this bike are designed for performance. They feature Numen Evolution SL for example 30 hubs and Schwalbe Magic Mary and Big Betty tires for improved traction and stability. This bike does not come with certain accessories such as pedals, lights, or mudguards, but you have the option to add them separately. Now, let's talk about the weight. The Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750 weighs approximately 24.3 kilograms, and it has a total permissible weight of 135 kilograms. Please note that due to the current COVID-19 situation and its impact on the supply chain, there may be some modifications in the availability, design, or configuration of the bike. Thank you for watching our full specifications and review of the Cube Stereo Hybrid 140 HPC ACTIONTEAM 750. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy riding!